Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Study Island. So today we are going to see mensuration, perimeter and area of rectilinear figure. Okay, this is from R.D. Sharma in class 7 chapter. Chapter 20 is there and exercise 20.1 and I have taken question number 6. So let's see how we can solve. Okay, so a door of dimensions 3 meter into 2 meter is on the wall of dimensions 10 meter into 10 meter. Okay, find the cost of painting the wall if rate of painting is 2.50 per square meter. Okay. So here there is a wall according to question. This is 10 meter and 10 meter dimension. Now there is a door whose dimension is 3 meter and 2 meter. And this area we need to paint. So we have to find out, okay, then find out the area of wall and then we will subtract. Why we will subtract? Because the same paint we are not going to use on the door also. For door we have different paints, you know. So that's why we will not paint on the door. So that's why we will, by subtracting, we will find the area that we have to paint, wall's particular area. Then we can easily find out the price. So let's start. First, dimensions of door is 3 meter into 2 meter. Okay. So the area will be 3 into 2, 6 meter square. Now we have found out the area of door. Okay, this is the wall and this is the door. So this area we have found out and now we will find out this area, wall's area. Now dimensions of wall is equal to 10 meter into 10 meter. So the area will be 10 into 10 because length into breadth, 100 meter square. Okay. Now we have found out the area of whole wall and the area of door. Now we have to find out the area which we have to paint. So area of wall that will be painted. So for that what we need to do, we have to subtract area of door from area of wall. So area of wall minus area of door. So area of wall is equal to 100 meter square and area of door is equal to 6 meter square. So it will be 94 meter square. Now this area's rate we have to find out. How much cost we have to, how much it will cost. Okay. So next we will write rate of painting one meter square is equal to 2.50. Okay, this much we have to pay when we have to paint 1 meter square of that wall. So rate of painting for, here I missed for 94 meter square will be, we have to simply multiply 2.50 multiplied by 94. Okay. Now you can directly multiply by in a decimal form, but I used to convert it in a fraction, the decimal, so it is more easier. So 2.50 we can convert as a 250 upon 100. At the place of decimal we have put 1 and 20 because after decimal there are two numbers, so it's 250 upon 100. If you will divide, you will get the same 2.50. Okay. Now we will simplify it. 0 will be cut. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Okay. Again we will further simplify. This is the multiple of 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 45. 2 7s are 14. So 5 multiplied by 47. It will give us 7 5s are 35, 3, 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23. So your answer will be 235 rupees we have to pay if we have to paint the wall. I hope this is clear, guys. Now we'll see the next question. Question is question number 7. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is bent in the shape of square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which side encloses more area. So there is the same wire and its length and breadth is given. Initially it was in a rectangle shape. At that time the length was 40 centimeter and breadth was 22 centimeter. Later on it has been changed in the square shape. So we have to find out the side of that square shape wire. And second thing, we have to find out the area of both the shapes, when it was square, when it was rectangle, and then we have to see which area is greater. So that will tell you which is enclosing more area, which shape is enclosing more area. Okay. So for that, we will find out the perimeter, because if there is a wire, so if you will find out how much wire it is, so it will be easy for us to find out the side of when it is when it is in a square shape. Okay. So first we will find out the perimeter for rectangle. So dimensions of rectangular wire when it was in a rectangular shape is equal to 40 into 22. 40 into 22. Okay. So perimeter will be, the formula for perimeter is 2L plus B. You know, when there is any shape, so perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So there are 2 sides, 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Okay. So that's why we are writing 2L plus B. It's not multiplied. It's plus always. When there is an area, then it will be multiplication. So here we will write 240 plus 22. Okay. So it will be 2 multiplied by, when you will add, you will get 62. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. So perimeter will be 124 centimeter. Okay. Now by using this perimeter, we can find out the side of square. How? Because perimeter will remain same, because it's the same wire. Okay. So the side, so perimeter of square shaped wire. So here we will write the formula when it's a square. So we have, what is the formula? 4 into S, because in square all the sides are same, or we can say 4 into sides. So instead of side I have written S. Now we know both the perimeters will remain same, so we can write 124. Here it will be 4 into S. Now here, as it was in multiplication, so it will change the place, so it will be divided. So 4 will be divided here. That will give us the length of the side. Now we will simplify. So 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 4 1s are 4. So side is 31 centimeter. Okay. Now side is 31 centimeter and perimeter is 124 centimeter. Okay. So one thing we have found, the side of the square. Now we have to see area of both the shapes. So first we will say area of rectangular wire. So it will be length into breadth, means 40 into 22. So it will give us 22 multiplied by 4, it will give 88 and 0 is there, centimeter square. And area of square shaped wire, when it was in a square shape, at that time the length of side was 31, that we have found out. Okay. So it will be S square, means side into side. So 31 multiplied by 31. If you will multiply, you will get 961. Okay, we'll multiply 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, then 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 961. So your answer will be 961 centimeters square. That will be the area of when the wire was in square shape. Now we can say, since 961 is greater than 880, so when the wire was in square shape, so square shaped wire was enclosing more area. Square shaped wire encloses more area. This will be your answer. I hope this is clear, guys. If you have any doubt, kindly write through your comments. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys.